Hello everyone. Today we are making a mouth-watering recipe called Matar Paneer. Let's get started. Salt 400 grams of paneer in 2 tablespoons of ghee until it attains a beautiful golden color. Salt the paneer on both the sides. Set this aside for later. Now we have to prepare tomato and cashew puree. Take a pan, toss in chopped tomatoes and cashews. Saute until they become tender. Then let them cool. Blend this mix into a smooth paste. Soaking the cashews is optional but ensure a creamier texture. Now in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter or ghee or oil and then add few spices like cardamom, cinnamon and cloves and finely chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns a delightful golden color. Introduce 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw aroma fades away. Once the onion and ginger garlic mix are perfectly sauteed, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder or adjust to your taste, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of fried cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt for taste. Saute these spices, letting their aroma fill the kitchen. Then add 1 chopped tomato and let it soften. Introduce 1 cup of green peas, sauteing them until they become tender. After sauteing for 2 minutes, introduce the tomato cashew puree or pour in the tomato cashew puree followed by 1.5 cup of water. Mix well and let it simmer for 5 minutes on medium flame, stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, add the sauteed paneer to the mixture. Let it cook for an additional 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to blend well. At last, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi or dry methi leaves. Heat it for 20 seconds in oven for that perfect texture. Your delightful Mutter Paneer is now ready to be served. Enjoy it with rice or naan. Please give the recipe a try at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking. Thank you.